Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any more of my videos. Today is a Face Beat Friday look that I actually debuted on Facebook Live, but I decided to record it while I was doing that, and I am bringing it here to YouTube as well. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I used the Douce by Juvia palette as well as a few other things which I make sure to kind of show you throughout the video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you share it on your Facebook pages and your Instagrams and all that stuff. And if you have any comments, please make sure you leave them down below. If there's any looks that you want to see, please make sure you leave them down below. I really would appreciate it. Alright you guys, let's jump on into the tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this look. It was very, very fun to make and really, really cute. A little different, a lot more different than my normal makeup looks, a little more flashy, so I thought it was really fun to do. And yeah, make sure y'all subscribe and share, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace!